Well, I'm headed back from my ride on Mines Road, and I'm thinking I'm gonna hit Highway 84 and go down to Calaveras Road on the way back home. I wanted to check out, the heck was it called? Del Valle, something like that. But if I take that, it's pretty much going to take me to the middle of nowhere again, and I don't want to be home at midnight, so save that for another day. Today we'll check out Calaveras. I've seen a couple guys ride that road. Looks pretty nice, pretty interesting. There's a little reservoir along the way, so yeah, we'll see what that's all about. Lots of green grass. I'm thinking this is the quick getaway from Livermore. Lots of convertibles out here. glimpse of San Jose there. I think we're out of the what's this guy doing? I think we're away from the water now. But yeah, that was a good one. Not too many decent places to stop and get a good view, but when you can, it's pretty decent. Well, I think I'll end this one here. Got a few more roads I want to take before I switch from the Supermoto setup to the dirt setup, but I want to do that pretty soon. But anyways, until next time, like and subscribe.